Kuihura kwa ndia ithano gitaru-ini kia Rift Valley ni undu wagithitie thayu aria maikaraga hakuhi nacio kumana na hathara nene iria yumanite na muiyuro uyu. Aikari aya ni moritio mehugio na makiria kuona ugwati uria makuriire maitho urarutia nditi o gwakia ndeto iria hithuritio ni mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya uramati wa nyamu cia githaka Professor Fred Sigor.
Lake Turkana and Tarkwel Dam, because they are part of the Rift Valley, there are also issues affecting also those two other counties in Turkana and West Pokot.
Kuringana na Sigor, muiyuro uyu waya gucungiriria wongerereku wa ciiko cia aikari kuhithukirwo ni nyamu cia githaka iria ciambitie kuhofaniria migunda yao igietha gia kuria.
Our teams are active on the ground educating the people how to live well so that we don't just encroach the waters anyhow.
Guoya munene uria ukoretwo ho ni ati kuri na uhotekeku wa ndia ici kunyitana na koguo thirikari ni irikitie gutuma ataramu mwena uyu niguo meke uthuthuria.
The mission will be ending next week and thereafter they will be expected to write a report, and when this report is ready it will be discussed.
Maya mahithuritio hindi ya igongona ria kuigirirwo thumbi kwa arutwo mathomo megimaine na uramati wa nyamu cia githaka mwena wa Naivasha. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Muiruri wa Kang'ara.